Hello, so welcome to another reading vlog. So I've been reading a lot. So over the weekend I picked up the second book in Ethics, the series, and I literally started reading it and it just was so good. So I was like, okay. So the next day I picked up the third one. I mean, it wasn't my intention, but the way she ends these, you need the next one. She always ended where you want edge and you want to know what's going to happen next. So I picked up the third one and I read it in a day. Read it on Saturday. So at the end of the night, I said, let me download the fourth book. And while I'm downloading, I said, oh, you know what? Let me also download the last book of the series, which is book 5. Then I realized book 5 is not out. So I was upset. I was like, oh no, she's not going to do this to me, because I don't even see a release date. I don't see anything. And I'm like, oh my God, the series done like hijack my time and I'm so loving it. And I'm like, oh. So I literally stalked her on social media to see if there's a date. There's no date. So I'm holding out, but it is supposed to be coming soon. So Ethic is just that character you just love. He's my new book boyfriend. Like, he's dangerous, he's sexy, he's loving, he's unpredictable. His emotion always, you never know where it's gonna go with him because of how he reacts to certain things that happen, especially if it's related to his family. And I was just so consumed with him. I love how she wrote his personality. And in this story, there's really two couples that we're following, which is his story and his daughter. And his daughter is just young, dumb, and lost. And there's times where when they're, when I'm reading her scene with her love interest, I'm just like, I just want to just knock some sense in her, because she's just at that critical age where she's just losing who she is for a man. And not to say the guy's a bad guy, it's just she needs some And Ethics, when I get to Ethics part, I'm smiling like the whole time. I'm like, oh, it's frustrating some part because you just want them to just be. And this part, I'm just like, I'm cheesing. I'm like, yes, Ethics. Ethics, that's my new boyfriend now. My book boyfriend in my head. So anyway, me trying to milk the fourth one because I know I gotta wait for a minute for the fifth one. I picked up Tempest, and Tempest has me kind of rolling a little bit because this is the 1800s, and I forgot what date it is. And in this one, you have Edie's niece now, Reagan. This is 1885. So yeah, 1885, and now she's in Wyoming. Now, this period of time just literally is intriguing in terms of what she expected, because Edie raised Reagan to be independent, but still want a man, because traditionally that's just, you're supposed to get married. So which is why she decided to be a mail order bride. But she's used to taking care of herself if she has to. She has money. She has means to protect herself. And she's in a town where these women are not used to that, and these men don't know what to do with that. And there's certain things in this book where I'm literally laughing because I'm like, laughing because I'm thinking, oh my God, that is such a effed up situation back then. There's a particular scene where she's in a supermarket trying to buy groceries and things she needs for the house, and she needed her husband's approval for the amount of money she is going to spend at all. And I remember thinking, huh? Like, what you mean? It's groceries. But it was just so crazy, and her reaction was so good, where she wasn't having it. And her husband, he's like the doctor of the town, and he also don't know what to do with it, but he finds it sexy, and he's like conflicted because he's still somewhat grieving for his first wife who died. So he doesn't know how to really approach her, but he kind of likes it. So it's so cute when you see that part. But I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying how they are describing the things that women were expected of. That part of this book is very, very entertaining, and it's really pulling me in. I'm also in the second week for Bluebird. Bluebird, I have maybe 2 chapters left for this week, and I'm liking it so far. There's a lot of small details that I know I need to pay attention to. I feel like it's gonna come into play later. There's not a lot going on, mostly the crime scene and him getting a feel for the town. So we'll see, because I still have 2 more chapters left, and I'll talk more about it. Now, keto is still happening. Day 11, and I have not messed up. I've been sticking to it. I feel good. Over the weekend, I tried on a pair of jeans, and I was like, it felt nice. This jean was suffocating me, and now it fits really nice. So definitely know it's working. However, the sugar situation is still not my thing, but I'm trying all these things that you guys recommended in the last video. Well, the actual lemon part where Dee Dee you recommended to put into the green tea, that might help. It's not so bad, but it ain't the same. So I am struggling still in terms of dealing with the no sugar situation. But anyway, I am going to cook today. Oh, I also tried almond flour. No. I literally made a little thing of it, took 2 bites, and said, nope, throw it in the garbage. I can't do it. I gotta find a recipe that maybe have more flavor in it, but it was just like, nah, it was nasty. No, I can't even entertain it. It was just not for me. So I'm still looking for recipes to try, because I don't want to get too comfortable and eating salad every damn day, because I know eventually that's gonna just get on my damn nerve. So I'm trying to find things to substitute. So far, not so bad, but I know if I don't find other ways to spice up what I'm eating, I'm gonna be a miserable woman, and I don't want that. So anyway, I will show you what I'm eating today, and yeah, continue reading. See you in the next one. So I am cooking turkey. So this is turkey, rounded, just pretty much pepper, onion, some scallion that's in here, and seasoning. So, and I am going to eat it with that. So I have the zucchini, bacon, and I'm gonna stuff it with this and add some cheese. That's the meal for today. So my kitchen's a little dark. This is why I don't really do cooking videos. But what I would say is, this is good. It's different, but it's good. Good one. Hello. So basically, last night I stayed up late and finished ethics. And I was so mad. I wanted to throw my candle. Guys, it ended, and I don't have book 5, so the way it ended is just so grim. The ending was really dramatic, and of course there's no book 5 yet, so don't know how long I'm gonna wait, but I hate that. I kind of wish I knew, because I think I probably wouldn't have gotten sucked into the story. I would have waited till later on in a year to read a series. I hate when series does that to me, but it happened. Then I also did a little bit more chapter in Tempest, and again, I'm still loving this. This is probably going to be my focus today. I'm almost there. I mean, I did read quite a few. Loving the character. Reagan Carmichael, I like her. She's cool. I like her character. I like her personality. And yeah, it's a lot for the timing. Well, you know, the roles of a woman. It's very interesting. It has me like Googling certain things, because I'm like, really? They did that back then? But yeah. So that's it. I'm gonna read a little bit more, then go to bed, because I am tired. And today wasn't as beautiful as yesterday. It was so nice and sunny yesterday, And today is just like no sun. I'm like, come on, spring, come through, come through. I'm so over this cold weather. I'm so over winter. And I need spring. I need to get my tomatoes going and all that. So yeah. Yeah, another day. Next. So today I having some leftover ground turkey from yesterday and a nice salad. And yeah. It looks really big, but it's not. It's just how I have it in the plate. But yum, yum, yum. Hello, so I am gonna do my wrap up. So I did finish Tempest and really enjoyed it. It wrapped up really good. It made me smile. So basically Tempest is a story, if I haven't said it before in the early part of the video. A mail order bride, so which is Reagan Carmichael, and her husband to be is a doctor of the town. So this is a very poor town in Wyoming, and it is 1885. So they're dealing with traditions, and here comes Reagan, who is taught to be independent. She has her own money, and she is struggling, you know, to be herself in this town because of the judgment she gets. But she's very strong, and she's, you know, made her decision that she was going to be a part of this man's life and help take care of his daughter. And there in this it's a nice way how they showed the differences in from how she was raised and how the expectation of women were. I enjoy that. There are certain things that were happening that I find myself having to look up to see, ooh, that really did happen. I love the Old West feel, when they talk about riding horses, and there's a scene where she's, you know, getting a horse and the connection she was having to the horse. I love that. I just was like imagining it. I love the setting. I love how she described that time period, and also love the romance. It was slow building, and it showed some of the cultural expectation back then of what a man and a wife is, so how they are supposed to be intimate with each other and all that. So it was very interesting. It was different from the other two. This one had me more, the historical part of this story was very intriguing and had me really engrossed from the get-go. So, you know, from the beginning, I was just like, you know, whoa, like that was happening back then. So I really love the historical part of this one compared to the other two. And the only thing in this one was I thought there was going to be something more of her past was going to be highlighted, but it didn't. It just was a situation where they just left it. I don't know if this is the last, because I feel like there was an unfinished family situation that was kind of like a letter was said and then that's it. So I kind of was hoping for that part to be resolved in this, unless there's another book or maybe a spin-off to this. I'm not sure. I'm going to look it up, but I really enjoyed it. I gave it a 4-star, and I do recommend that, you know, this one is, you know, but you do have to read all of them. I think even though this story can be read by itself, there's certain things you will understand more if you read from the beginning, which is Forbidden, then Breathless, then this one. So yeah. So yeah, I'm going to end this week vlog right here. I am having a good reading month. And to see this week, I completed, is this 3, 4? I completed week 2 of Bluebird. And what else did I started? think that's it for now. But this weekend I am going to pick up Kill Switch. I am so excited for that one, but it is long. I did not realize it was over 500 pages. But that's the goal for the weekend, and I also might pick something up in between as well. But we'll see. So anyway, thanks for watching, and have a good day. Bye.